Can't see it. Joe Beermaster. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky air hose, compressor air hose. So they do sell an end for this. It comes in two pieces. The end, the insert, which we already stuck in, and the little clamp that holds that on. So we cut the hose. These were connected here. We cut the hose. We slid the insert in. Now we're going to put the ring on here and tighten that up. Get that nice and tight. And then we're going to screw this on. And then you'll be good to go. Real simple video, real quick. Show you how to fix it real quick. So you need the insert, which is a male end into the female end, and then it puts the little connection on. And no more leak. Give your compressor a break. Thanks for watching. Joe Beermaster.